In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Microsoft Teams error 657RX with a quick and easy solution. If you've encountered the message "something went wrong 657RX" while using Microsoft Teams, don't worry. This error is more common than you might think, and there are several solutions you can try based on the experiences of other users. First, let's address the issue of device enrollment. Begin by opening your Windows settings. From there, navigate to Accounts and then Access Work or School. You'll want to disconnect any existing work or school accounts. Once you've done that, restart your computer and then sign in again. This simple action can often resolve many issues related to device enrollment and authentication, allowing your Teams application to function smoothly once more. Next, we'll move on to clearing your credential manager and identity cache. This involves clearing the Windows Credential Manager and deleting the OneAuth and Identity Cache folders. By doing this, you help reset any stored credentials that might be causing conflicts with your Microsoft Teams sign-in. If those steps don't fully resolve the issue, another recommended action is to rejoin your device to Entra ID. Open CMD or PowerShell and enter the command dsregcmd-exe-force recovery. This command will help re-establish the connection to Entra ID, potentially fixing any issues caused by a disconnection. Now let's take a look at authentication settings. It's crucial to ensure that your Exchange Online credentials are accurate and that you have all the necessary permissions for your work or school account. Incorrect credentials can often be the root of these perplexing errors. Another effective step is to remove and then re-add your work account. Go back to Windows Settings, open Accounts, then navigate to Access Work or School. Remove the work account and add it back again. This act of re-establishing your account connection might just be the trick you need. For users dealing with Office 365, running the olicense-cleanup.vbs script can reset the activation state, which has proven successful in several cases. This script helps clear any lingering license issues that might interfere with your software's functionality. If all else fails, don't hesitate to contact Microsoft support. Their team is equipped with the tools and expertise needed for more persistent or complicated problems that you might be experiencing. Just a couple of final notes. Make sure that your device's time and date settings are correct. Incorrect settings can often lead to authentication issues. Additionally, check your email app settings, especially if you're using Outlook Desktop, MapPI, and ensure they're enabled in the user settings. With all these solutions and tips at your disposal, you're well equipped to tackle the Microsoft Teams error 657RX and get back to your work with minimal disruption. Good luck, and I hope these solutions help make your experience seamless and trouble-free.